Alright, here's a system of equations that we are going to solve by graphing. Let's start by graphing y equals negative 7. So this is going to be a horizontal line at negative 7. What it really means is x can be anything it wants, but y has to be negative 7. So pick a couple x values like, I don't know, x equals 3. Over 3, the y value has to be negative 7, so down 7. If you pick x as negative 2, the y value still has to be negative 7. And so you see you got this horizontal line made up of all the points that have a y value of negative 7. Now in order to graph this guy, I want to put him into slope-intercept form. And I can do that by getting y by itself. So right now, all I really have to do is add 3x to both sides. Because negative 3x plus 3x is 0. And 0 plus y is just y. And then 3x and 5 plus 3x is just 3x plus 5. So my y-intercept is at 0, 5. And my slope is 3, or 3 over 1, which means from my y-intercept over 0 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to go up 3 and to the right 1. Uh-oh, I'm off the graph. Well, up 3 and to the right 1 is the same as down 3 and to the left 1. So that point is negative 1 up 2. Make sure whenever you graph a line, you are showing the coordinates of at least 2 points on that line. So I'm going to count out some more slope here. Down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. Down 3, left 1. Hey, that's an important point. That's the point where these lines are going to intersect. And that's at negative 4, negative 7. So these lines intersect at the point negative 4, negative 7. And then what you can do is plug them in to make sure that they work. Well, when you plug in a negative 7 for y, you're going to get negative 7 equals negative 7, which is true. And now for this equation, negative 3 times the x value, negative 4, plus the y value, negative 7, equals 5. And we have to make sure that equals 5. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Plus a negative 7 is like minus 7. And 12 minus 7 is 5, so we've checked our work. So we solved it over here, came up with our solution, and then we plugged in the x and y values in order to check our solution. And that is how you solve number 5, that system, by graphing.